for this is a solution for a suspension. As you can see, I place a little one screw at the end of the arms with the gears and place rubber bands for suspension. This is a finalized version until the day of the contest on Autodesk Instructable web page. That's why is completed until the original version of Intel OpenBot, the open source platform. For future, we have plans to integrate APIs for interactive communication with it through the chat GPT from OpenAI, and to understand commands in the conversational like chat and interpret them into the real-time commands that control the robot. Let's try this. It's set to object tracking, and it's set to track remote. Ordinary remote, not a remote to move it remotely, but remote for other devices. Let's see this. Does it understand? As you can see, it understands, but there are a little bit configuration to be done. Need to be done. Let's try this again. I will show it remote controller, ordinary remote controller, and the robot should recognize it and track it. Now it's set to track a person. Let's see, will it recognize me as a person? But this is a small space and lots of objects here. It cannot understand. Now I set it to track a person. Let's see, does he will recognize me? Does it? Come on, robot. Why didn't you follow me? Lighting isn't okay because I use several artificial lights. He's trying to understand something. Maybe if I go further. Yes.